Guys, should we start or we need to wait? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you can wait 2-3 minutes.
Okay, let's wait 2 minutes more, then we'll start. Okay, so guys, I think everyone joined. Let's start. Guys, my screen is visible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, so guys, we'll take the today we'll do the BGP. Could you please take the snap? This is the L3 and same L2, this physical diagram will proceed, but for the L3, please take the snap. Once done, please let me know. Everyone taken the snap?
Yes.
Okay. So guys, today what we will do? Today we'll do the BGP. Under BGP, we'll do the E-BGP, I-BGP. Under the I-BGP, we need to do the update search. Which other points are there in the I-BGP? Suppose this is the I-BGP. Here I will do the I-BGP. Okay. So what are the things we need to do in between this to this to this?
We need to have a IGP.
Suppose EIGRP will do.
Okay.
Then what I will do, I will not make a neighborship from the physical. I will make a neighborship. I will see which loopback is present right now. Through the loopback, I will make a reachability from here to here. Through the IBGP, I will make a reachability through the loopback. But which command I need to put if I will make a
BGP multipop update source loopback 0.
Update source loopback, whatever is the loopback ID, 10, 0, 1, whatever. Okay. And any other thing I need to do?
Multi-hop.
No, why I need
No, that's not required.
because through the IBGP I will have a reachability. Then any other thing?
We need to increase the TTL by 1.
That is for the E-BGP. Here it is IBGP is going on. What is the IBGP TTL value? What is the IBGP TTL value? What is the E-BGP TTL value?
The E-BGP is 1.
255 for the IBGP.
Yes. I BGP 255. E-BGP TTL value is 1. So the neighbor used to be directly connected. But here it's not that. It is the IBGP. One thing for the loopback, I need to have a IGP for the loopback reachability. That's correct. And one more command I need to do, update search loopback 0. That's correct. The third one, which is the most important one in this topology.
Next stop self, I think.
Okay.
Mama,
Okay. Next. If directly, if I will do three things, suppose in NX01, okay, there is some routes. Will they go here? Then it will go here. If there is some route, suppose ABC is there, will this route NX01 route will receive by the NX02? What is the use of route reflector?
Yeah, to have a advertise those route
Make a fully meshed BGP topology. To make a full meshed BGP topology such that each router will have a basic idea of how to reach each other.
No, I'm not getting you. What you are telling?
I think to using the route reflector, we can you can make the full mesh topology here.
No,
Full
no.
mesh
My
never
question
say.
is that simple question. My question before going to the BGP, you should have clear understanding about this. My question is that what is the use of the route reflector? What is the use? Why I need the route reflector?
Route reflector is like it will be work as a server client mode. Route reflector router will be route reflector server and other peer will be the route reflector client. So it will be establish the connectivity like that, like hub and spoke.
Okay, just a minute. Hold on. Let me go to the CCNP Encore NRC. Okay. Suppose leave about this part. It is not connected. As of now, leave about this part. Suppose I will do a IBGP. This topology is very clear and very simple. Let's revise the CCNP first. Then we will go to the data center CCNP. Let's do CCNP Enterprise because this is very important. You need to know this part. Okay. Although you have forgot, let's discuss here and it will be a great revision for you. First of all, I want to know every people, you are able to understand this diagram or not? Which one is the E-BGP? Which one is the IBGP? Everything is written here. Just see. If anyone not able to understand, please let me know. This is quite important. You should have the good understanding about the BGP, basic BGP.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, suppose I will do on this. Let's focus on this part. Everyone know how to configure the E-BGP on the router? Everyone knows?
Yes.
Okay. Suppose I will do on the router 5. What is the command?
Router BGP 500. Then neighbor IP, remote AS.
Okay, never. This is the never IP 192.125.2 suppose. Okay, then
Remote AS.
And network.
remote AS
Remote AS
1000.
1000. Okay, then whatever is the network, if you want to advertise under the R5, you can advertise. Okay, very good. Okay, suppose in my R5, I have a network like that. How I can advertise this one?
You can either advertise with a network statement.
How I can write the network statement?
Network 10.1.1.0 /255.255.255.0. Mask 255.250.
Yes, in router mask 255. Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, now this part is clear. Now, this is the I-BGP. Everyone is able to understand this is the I-BGP?
Yes,
Why?
because all are in same AS.
All are in same. Very good. Now, how I can configure the I-BGP? Let's focus on R2.
Mhm.
I have 3 I-BGP, R1, R2, R3. Please remove this part. Don't think about this. It will be confused for you. As of now, you can think E01 of both the R1 and R3 is not connected. Okay. Now, 3 routers are connected here. Now, suppose I want to do a configuration, leave about this part. Only I-BGP. What I need to do on the R1?
Router BGP 1000.
Any other people can tell? Router BGP 1000. I want everyone should have a clear understanding about the basic BGP. If you want to means mastership on the BGP, then you need to go for the core NRC. But as of now, you should have a very clear understanding about the basic BGP.
Yeah.
It is
Okay.
same.
One by one. Any one person can tell R1, any other R2. Another person can go for the R3.
Okay, neighbor 192.168.112 dot. What is that IP?
No. Okay. Okay. Before that, I want to just let you know one
Okay,
thing.
you are
Suppose,
configuring on loopback. Okay.
yes, just a minute. 10.10.10.10, 20.20.20.20, and 30.30. All are in /8. Okay. I am not taking any kind of subnetting, and all are in loopback 10. Don't be confused. Everyone is in the loopback 10. Now tell me.
/8 you are telling, right?
Okay, instead of doing for the all neighbor relationship, you can configure the route reflector and do the neighbor relationship to the route reflector. It will be work, right? So no need to go for all neighbor relationship with the R1 to R2 and R1 to R3.
No, for the I-BGP, I should have a reachability. How I will do the IGP now?
Yeah.
If you will do through the neighbor, what 𝗵𝘂 you are telling, if you will do through this to this, then it is okay. But my question is that I will create a neighborship through my loopback.
Yes.
So that I need to do a IGP.
I believe there is already IGP running.
𝗖𝗂𝗡.
𝗖𝗂𝗡𝗣. So yeah, if it is
Yes.
running,
Now my IGP is running.
Yeah.
Suppose any IGRPS number. Okay. So right now I should have a clear reachability from 10, 20, 30. Am I right?
yeah.
Okay. Now tell me.
So neighbor 10.10.10.10.
From R1, never 10, 10. No. From R1 it will be never.
Well, I cannot see. What is that IP? 10.10.10.
20.
Here.
Oh, this is R1. Okay,
yes.
you are configuring from R1.
Yes.
So 20.20.20.20.
20. Okay, then.
Remote AS 1000.
Everyone, what 𝗵𝘂 is telling, if anyone not able to understand, please let me know. Never 20 remote AS 1000.
Then neighbor address, same IP address, update source, loopback 0, loopback 0, 10, whatever.
Okay. Now 𝗵𝘂 is all done. I need to know these two things. Why I am using this one? Update source, loopback 10. Now, guys, please tell me, except 𝗵𝘂, any other person, please tell me why I need this command.
The update source because you are establishing.
No.
To specify it's an I-BGP neighbor.
Yes, to make the BGP neighborship. Okay, very good. And why I need this command?
To specify that the loopback is being used as a neighbor.
Yes, loopback is using as the neighbor. Okay. Now tell me this thing. Suppose this is an E-BGP. Here it is loopback is 1.1.1.1, 2.2.2.2. And this network is 10.1.12.0/24. And this one is 10.1.12.1. This side is 10.1.12.2. Okay. Now, suppose I am making a E-BGP through the loopback. What command it is mandatory?
E-BGP multi-hop.
Yes, very good.
Because of the TTL value. Yeah, it should be directly connected.
Yes, it should be directly connected. What is the command to increase the TTL value and what is the command to disable the TTL value?
We can increase the E-BGP multi of the
yes, never. Then
the whatever
E-BGP
value you can
multi
mention.
of, yes, then the number. And if I want to disable the multi of,
not sure, I have not.
disable multi-hub check command, you are able to remember? There is a command. Disable multi-hub check. You can see on your router. Okay. We can check disable your multi-hub checking command. It will automatically disable, so that by default it will, when you will disable, it will come to the 255 instead of 1. Okay.
iBGP multi-hop is 255.
iBGP multi-hub is 255, but when you will in the E-BGP, you have two options. Either you can increase your TTL value or you can use the command disable multi-hub check command. Okay. So on that condition, when you will disable the multi-hub check command, it will increase the TTL value directly to 55. Because I am disabling the multi-hub command. I am disabling the E-BGP security. Because this TTL, why E-BGP TTL value is 1? Because of the security. Right now, when I am disabling the feature, means I am disabling the security, which is not good on your environment. Okay. Okay. Now, suppose here, I will not put the update search loopback 0 or loopback 10. What will happen?
It will not form BGP neighborship.
Yes. Why?
Because by default, it will see the E-BGP neighbor is 1 hop away, but if it is not reachable with that TTL value, by default TTL value, so it will not form BGP neighborship.
No. I am putting the E-BGP multi-hub command.
Okay.
Okay. Towards neighbor E-BGP multi-hub is 2. Okay. And 1 to 1, suppose I have a static. I have the reachability.
Okay.
So if I will not put this command.
Okay. So by default, it go by the outgoing interface that.
By default, it will be used for the IGP connectivity, right? For the
IGP,
TCP.
no. Why IGP here? It is E-BGP.
No, in the background, it is IGP is connecting, right?
Yes, background we are doing a static or you are doing any kind of IGP. Okay?
If you are not mentioning the update source, then it will be not able to identify the which source you have to go, right?
Yes, mainly whenever any packet will take the information, it will take the exit interface by default.
Directly connected exit interface.
Yes. So yes, 𝗲𝗏𝗍, you are right. Prashant, whatever you told, that is right. So for other people, please try to understand, whenever I will try to send any packet, if I will not mention anything, it will take the information from the exit interface only. It will not take the interface of the loopback. Here I need to forcefully, I need to mention that you need to carry the information, you need to tag the information from your loopback, not from the 𝗲𝗏 or you're from the exit interface. Okay. Everyone clear till now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a minute, let me remove this part. Guys, those who are utilizing the institute lab, please start means your lab. Loopback 10, because I need 8 more class to finish the Nexus, which is your almost 40% of this DC class. So please start the preparation, because after that I will go to 𝗖𝗖. So please start the lab preparation, because you need to divide your 𝗖𝗖, you need to divide your Nexus. So don't lose any time.
No, first of all, you will be go for Nexus dashboard, right? Then you will go for 𝗖𝗖 or what?
No, 𝗖𝗖 will go, then I will go to the Nexus dashboard, because Nexus dashboard is very small here in the CCNP.
Okay.
𝗖𝗖 is big. 𝗖𝗖 here also 𝗖𝗖 is very small, but 𝗖𝗖 you need to know all the things, because your DC will be completely Nexus 𝗖𝗖. 𝗖𝗖 is in CCNP. 𝗖𝗖, actually I don't like the CCNP 𝗖𝗖. It's nothing is there. Only 3 topics are there. Fabric discovery is there, and I think TNAT is there, and one more thing is there. Yes, fabric discovery, tenant, and traffic flow. No BD.
L3 out, L2 out.
No L3 out, no L2 out, nothing. If you not do this one, BD, L3 out, L2 out, you will be a big zero in the SCI. Definitely question will be from here. And there is some lecture session I will do about the multi-site and multi-port. Okay. So I don't know why in CCNP SCI is very less, but we need to cover all the things. Okay. So please start your preparation, start your lab.
Sir, regarding lab, I have told you in last classes also regarding that.
I already informed to Neha ma'am. They did not reach out to you?
Not yet, sir. I'm not getting any lab access till now, sir.
For two people I told, one is Kumarjit and one 𝗵𝗏.
Yeah, I am Kumarjit, sir.
Okay, let me.
Got the credential on WhatsApp.
You got the current. Okay. So Kumarjit, again I will tell to Neha ma'am because already on the same day I have informed. Okay. Again I will tell and she will reach out to you. No worry. Okay for you, Kumarjit?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now this one is good. Now to update search loopback 10. Now next point.
Network. Okay, that is for neighbor relationship only.
That is done. One more. RR. Should I need the RR here or not? This link is not there. Again, I am telling.
So R2 is a root reflector server, and R1 and R3 as a planes.
Okay. Very good. Thank you. That's it. Is it fine? Is it fine, guys? If I will put this for command, I am telling on the router only. Till now, I have not entered into the Nexus. Nexus, the command is completely different. But concept is exactly same. So this 3 command is fine.
Yeah, means where which one you are making route reflector?
This one, R2.
R2. So the from R2 we have to mention that who is route reflector client, right?
Yes, that is done. I have written that one. So my iBGP part is finished. Am I right?
Yeah.
iBGP is finished. Okay. What more I need to do? Suppose for an example, I want to receive some routes from R4 or R7 through R1 to R2, and it should have the reachability. Or from R5, I want some route through R2 to the R1, and it should have the reachability. Not only the valid route, it should be valid and best. Anything I need to do?
Redistributed, static, or connected.
The network commands, a network command.
Redistribute, static, connected.
Means whatever the routes that R1 having, it will that directly connected or static route. Oh, sorry, whatever connected.
Okay, if you want to do that redistribute, you want to do. Okay, no problem. Any other thing? Why I want to use this one?
Next up server by default. By default, when E-BGP neighbor advertise to IBG neighbor, it gives itself as a next hop IP. But whenever that route advertise the IBG neighbor to another IBGP neighbor, it won't change the next hop route from next hop ID from those update. So we need to make this next hop self for that R2. We need to change it, the behavior.
Okay. Okay, just a minute. Any other people, any other answer? Now, for an example, suppose this is R5, I have a route of 5.5.5.5.5. Okay. Now in R1, I am receiving that route. Whatever the command, guys, you have told me, I have put that command only, nothing new. So now tell me, without next of self command, okay, in the router, if I will try to put the 𝗖𝗍 BGP, this 5.5.5.5, in which symbol it will be represented?
Only greater than or star.
Only star. Very good. Now, my question is that on which router now I need to do the next of self and why? Any other people, 𝗲𝗏𝗍, you can hold on. Any other person I want, because I want, guys, everyone should be, you should have a clear understanding about this part, because it is completely about the NRC part. But why I am doing? Because if you will write resume, in your resume, if you will write I am a DC, definitely first they will check your EI quality. If your EI quality is good, then only they will go into the DC part. Because DC, there is concept-wise no difference. Only few things like SCI, VPC, VXLAN, these are different, but the concept is exactly same. So you should have a very clear understanding about the EI part. Now, any other people tell me why I will receive this star mark on 5.5.5.5 on R1 if I will see the 𝗖𝗍 BGP. Guys, I am not telling what is 𝗖𝗍 BGP, 𝗖𝗍 BGP summary. These are all about the basic CCNP, so I am not telling about this one. Whatever it is recorded in the data center, I am telling that part. But if you don't know about the what is 𝗖𝗍 BGP summary, 𝗖𝗍 BGP, my humble request to you, please go through the BGP again. Okay. Now my question is that why it will be the star mark here?
It is the best path.
No. First of all, tell me what is the difference between this one and this one. Guys, I am requesting you, whenever we will do any DC, please try to go through the topic. Definitely you will get the question. Here, if you will directly do the DC, it's more, on my part, I will directly do the DC lab. Okay. Why I am utilizing, why I am investing, losing so much time? Because I know they will ask you the question. So my humble request, please try to go through the BGP again. But the most important thing, which they will ask, I am discussing it right now. Tell me, what is this one? What is this one?
So star is that is
It's a valid route, no, sir?
Yes, very good. Thank you. And greater than?
The route is valid and best, and it is installed in RIB.
This is best and star valid and best. It will be installed on the RIB. Very good. Now, what is this? Means smaller R.
That is what you called.
It's a rip failure. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rip failure,
Thank you.
like it's learning this route from the IGP.
Yes, very good. Thank you. Who told this? Thank you again. It's a real failure if I am getting this route, means on a best route to another IGP. Very good. Okay. Now, let me ask. BGP works on which layer?
Application.
Sorry.
Okay. Thank you. Application layer. Okay. And what is the protocol?
TCP 179.
TCP 179.
179. Now people are answering in a very good way. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Now tell me this part.
It's a valid route, sir, on the R1.
Why? Sorry. Why I am not receiving on this sign? Why?
Because you have another like on R1 you are also receiving this 555 from the other router also, which has best path.
No, I have only one path. I have only one router R5, and you know I can only advertise one network on that router. Okay. 5.5.5.5.
Sorry, maybe you haven't run the next hook shelf command. That's why
Yes.
you are receiving this.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. Thank you. Now, where I need to implement the next option? Any other people? on which router I need to put the next hub self.
On
Now it's
R2.
Not
R2.
R2.
on, okay, very good. On R2 towards?
R5.
R5.
On R2 towards R5.
No, from
Towards
Towards
R1.
R1. Towards R1.
Towards R1 and
To
R3.
R1.
Okay, very good. Yes, thank you. It's clear right now. Now, if I will ask you the same question on the for the R4, suppose there is a route of 4.4.4.4. I want to receive this on the R2. Okay.
Sir,
On,
I have one question only here regarding previous one. So we put next hope shelf on R2 towards R1 and R3. Just in case if the connection E00 between R2 and R1, it is going down. So then it will start receiving the 5 from the R3, correct?
No,
it will
just
be
a minute.
R1.
Hold on. Here, question is, this link will be down.
Yes.
Now this link is also not there.
No,
because
it will be that is there.
If that is there, then it will receive.
Yes. So in that case, for R3, do we have to run next hop shelf on R3, or
No.
it is just going to be on R2?
From this route, it's definitely need to be there.
Okay, not on E01.
No, this side you need to put the next hop shelf there.
Yes.
But this diagram, actually what happened, this diagram, if you do this one, why I need the root reflector, a lot of things. Already the mesh topology. This is the reason I have told you, please remove this one. Because else it will create a mess. Because in my CCNP NRC, both I need to show them the root reflector and the mesh. This is the reason I have taken. But I don't need this one as of now.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Okay. Now, if I will ask you the same question, just a minute. Oh, sorry. From the AS400, I have a route of 4. I want to receive on the R2. Okay. So, on which router I need to put the next option?
On R1 towards E00.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Now this part is clear. And guys, you know this part. These are all about the NRC. Not, I have not entered into the Nexus. You know this part.
Need to revise, sir.
Need to revise. But you know the concept. What is this? Or you have not heard about this means technology?
BGP dynamic. Can you come a little bit about this?
What?
BGP dynamic you are talking about, right? What is that?
BGP dynamic neighborship.
Dynamic
neighborship. Yeah. So we have to create a peer group with.
Yes.
Okay, in the peer group.
Listen, we need to make a range for listening. Who are the listening routers?
Yes.
So they will be. They will make a peer with those.
Yes.
Yeah, it is in the peer group. Yes.
Yes, in the peer group, you need to put the listen limit command. Am I right? Okay.
Listen range or something.
Yes. Listen, that is listen limit, the listen range, how much you want to receive. Suppose I want to receive 4. If anyone extra will become, it will be discarded. Okay. And what are the BGP attributes?
Yeah, wait, local preference.
Serially.
Wait, local preference, locally originated route.
No, can anyone tell me, suppose if anyone is an introvert, someone will ask you, what are the BGP attributes? How you can explain?
Well-known mandatory, well-known discretionary, well-known optional transitive, optional non-transitive.
Yes. First of all, in the well-known, we have the mandatory, then discriminatory. Then we have the optional attributes. Transitive, non-transitive. Then on the transitive,
optional transitive, optional non-transitive.
yes. Under the transitive, what are there?
Agreed.
Okay. So guys, this way, please try to revise one more. Okay. What is well-known mandatory? What is well-known discriminatory? If I will ask you, aggregator is which type of things? It's mandatory or discriminatory? And MED is what type of things? If I will ask you the no advertise, you have heard about this part?
Yeah.
Okay. If they will ask you, what is no advertise? What is no export? And
no export, I think, community.
BGP community values.
Yes.
There's two more, that is local AS and internet.
Yes. Local and the internet. Internet is the global one. They will give this type of question to you. Suppose this is a router and this is 4 routers are connected there. And one more AS is there, one more router is there. I don't want that this router send this router updates to this router. Okay. From this to this, it will good, but here this will not good. Here to here, they will send, but not to this one. So when I need to use the no advertise, when I need to do the no export, this type of things for the NRC part, for the EI part, guys, it should be clear. So if you did not do the revision, please start a revision on this. It will just take 2 days. I don't think more than 2 days. If your BGP basic BGP is clear, just you need to revise. 2 days will be enough. And I am not telling about this one because everyone is where local preference, AS path, MED, because everyone should be quite good, because these are the most important thing. Which direction I can use MED?
MED, out.
MED is for inbound traffic, outbound direction you have to apply.
Here it's the vice versa.
Yeah.
Okay. AS path means if I have the higher number of AS path is good, or if I have the lower number of AS path is good?
Lowest AS path.
Lower AS path, very good. How I can do that one? How I can increase?
In the BGP neighbor, we can
prepend, AS path prepend.
Yes, very good.
You can create the AS path prepend, and you can create a route map and apply that.
Yes, either you can use the route map also. Then AS path prepend 10 I am doing. Yes. Okay, guys. So just try to revise whatever all the things I have highlighted. Please, for the EI part, please try to do all the revision. What is the route reflector? What is the why you are using the route reflector? What is the E-BGP loop avoidance mechanism? What is the I-BGP loop avoidance mechanism? What is the multi-humming? What is the backdoor? So all the things, please try to do a revision. Okay. Everyone has this diagram?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Those who did not take or who joined late, please take this now. This is required. Okay. On same things we will do. Same diagram we will proceed. Just let me see what I need to remove there. OSPF is going there. OSPF is going here. OSPF is going here. Okay. Nothing is here. No, SPF, nothing. Okay. Let me remove this OSPF here because we'll do the BGP. Here what will be there? And so running configuration section. 𝗖𝗓𝗡𝗣 is there, OSPF is there. Okay, let me remove. Guys, let me put the IP again on your notes so that there will be no confusion when we'll do the lab. You want this one, or from the old configuration you can retrieve this one? Can anyone let me know? You want me to put this IP here again, or you can find this one from the OSPF or 𝗖𝗓𝗡𝗣? Just tell me. If you want, I can put all the IP address.
Yeah, anything fine.
Any other people? Should I put the IP again? Okay, let me put. And people are silent, means they want.
Sir, it's okay, sir. We can manage, sir.
What?
We can manage, sir.
Let me put, guys. I think sometimes there will be confusion. Let me put. NX03. Yeah. Okay. First of all, let's start from this side. Let's do the E-BGP in between the router 1 and router 2. It's easy. Let me try to find some network if I have on the router 1. Router 1, I have, let's advertise this one, 191.191. Okay. Let's advertise this 2 network from the loopback 10. This is, just a minute. This is R1. Okay, loopback 10, I will do the, when I will do the IBGP, I will make a reachability from the loopback 10. There I will advertise. Okay. Now configuring E-BGP between R1 and R2.
On R1 and R2, you have mentioned same interface, same IP.
Same IP?
You have mentioned you copy from R1, I think.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. I think it was not copied. Now it's good. But why IP I am?
Can you go back to screen again?
Why I am seeing the same IP? Oh, why it is not copied?
No, you have to press enter or.
Let me do once more. So IP and brief. Yes, now it's good.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the basic, guys? Could you please help me out? See your diagram. L3, not the physicals. L3.
Router BGP 20. Sorry, R1, right? Router BGP 123.
Router BGP, yes, 123. Suppose I am in router, I have loopback 0. I am taking under the BGP network, I am taking loopback 0, loopback 1, because in the later state, I will use the loopback 10 for the IBGP. Update such loopback 10 will do. So as of now, let's advertise this to one network 1.0.0.0.
Oh, first one. Okay.
You have to define neighbor, right?
What?
Neighbor.
Yes, no problem. Neighbor I will define after this.
Okay.
Network 199.1.1.0. Then neighbor. What is my neighbor?
2.2.2.2.
No.
Oh, sorry, loopback 0, right?
No. Here R1 to R2 I am doing. So physical 192.1.12.2. For the E-BGP, I am not doing any kind of loopback relationship. It is the direct.
Okay.
When I will do this part, just to show you, I will do the update search loopback. But for the E-BGP, physical. Got it?
Okay.
So 192.1.12.2.
This side too.
Remote AS 20.
Remote AS, I don't know, need to see. Yes, 20. 192.1.12.2. Remote AS 20. R2 remote AS 20. 12.1.
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
My configuration is good.
Yes.
Okay. That's the configuration on the router.
So you have taken /8 IP address or what?
Yes, that time I think I have taken the 8. Let me see. Yes.
The physical interface.
No, physical I have taken the, it should be 24.
Oh, okay. So by default you are not mentioning
24.
Okay, and that's okay.
Okay. If it was, means it's the same mask, so I don't need to mention the mask command. If it was subnetted, then only I need to mention R2. Copy. If my configuration is fine, it will come up the E-BGP neighborship. Now let's do one more thing. Configure an I-BGP. Which routers are there? Nexus 01, 02, R1. Okay. Now what I need to do, guys, this is my I-BGP. Why I-BGP? Because all are in the same AS number. For the I-BGP, I need to run any, for the underlay, I am running any IGP protocol. For an example, I am running 𝗖𝗂𝗡𝗣 here. Okay. So, and for the I-BGP reachability from this NX01 to R1 or R101 to NX02, I will not use my physical interface. I will use my loopback 10 ID for my internal reachability. So whenever I will try to do a I-BGP relationship or the E-BGP relationship through the loopback, this loopback should be reachable. Definitely it should be the reachable. For the directly connected interface, I don't need to do anything because it will be automatically reachable on the same network. But here I need to do something. So this is the reason I am running an IGP protocol. For that reachability, let me do. Basic command in the router. One 192.1.10.0. 192.1.10.0. 192.1.20.0. Okay. 192.1.10.0. 192.1.20.0. Then the loopback, let me see the loopback. R1. So IP group. Okay, 10. Loopback 10, 10.1.1.1. Network 10.1.1.1. Now this one is done. Now the next one will be for the NX01. Who can help me out for the 𝗖𝗂𝗡𝗣 configuration on the Nexus?
Feature 𝗖𝗂𝗡𝗣.
Okay. Feature 𝗖𝗂𝗡𝗣, then sorry.
router 𝗖𝗂𝗡𝗣.
Can anyone see the way? What is the 𝗖𝗂𝗡𝗣s number in the Nexus? It's 123.
23.
Then, if you want to mention 𝗖𝗂𝗡𝗣 router ID, you can do.
Yeah.
The advertising 𝗖𝗂𝗡𝗣 router. Sorry. 𝗖𝗂𝗡𝗣 ID 22.22.22.22. Nexus 01. Okay. 21. There is a 21 we already did. Let me see again. 𝗖𝗂𝗡𝗣 already we did, guys. So PS, it is there. Yes, 21. I can use this one. Not there. 21, 21, 21. Then
Go to the interface and
which interface I need to mention here? Just a minute. Interface VLAN 10.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Interface VLAN 10. Then what is the command? How I can enable the 𝗖𝗂𝗡𝗣 on a Nexus under an interface?
Interface.
Are you able to remember?
IP router 𝗖𝗂𝗡𝗣 something.
Yes. IP router 𝗖𝗂𝗡𝗣, then my yes. Okay. Very good. Now the next one. Let me show you right now. Through which loopback I want to make a reachability. I told you I will make a reachability through this one.
Loopback
10. Yes, loopback 10. So I need to enable this loopback 10 under the 𝗖𝗂𝗡𝗣 so that through the IGP, through that IGP, I have the reachability of my loopback 10 to loopback 10. Interface loopback 10, then same command. No changes. Okay, sorry. No need to change anything on the Nexus 02. I just need to change the IP, and if required, we will change the VLAN. 22, 22, 22, 22. Okay. Which VLAN I need to put there? Just let me see. This
20.
Okay. Interface VLAN 20. Nexus 02. It is connected. Just a minute. Let us see this diagram. It is okay. 20 to R1. Nexus 02, 20 to R1. Okay. Any other thing I need to do? No.
Yeah,
that's it. Let me do router 1. Oh. I think it is not copying properly. Oh, sorry. Okay. R1 we already did, am I right?
Yes.
But why the last one is not coming up? VLAN 10 is not coming up, am I right? 10 is down, interface, peer termination received. 5. Okay.
We can go to NX01 and see.
Okay, let me see. NX01. Oh. Oh. What happened to this?
Here, have you pasted anywhere else or what? Here not configured at all.
Then where I did the configuration of the okay.
It's better you can configure the host name like NX in the switch itself, so there will be no confusion. Instead of
yes. Okay, let me change the host name. Okay. Host name. You want on this way, am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. I think I did the configuration some other switch. I think we'll check. Host name NX02. Configure host name NX03.
I think it was configured before. I don't know why it is not there. Maybe.
Yes, I don't know why it is not there. Strange. Okay. No problem. We'll see and troubleshoot. Host name NX04. Okay. Now I need to see my neighborship picture. But if it was not configured, which one was here received down? 1022. 1021. Okay.
Now it should be activated.
So okay. Yes. Now okay. Now I have the neighborship up. What's the next, guys?
IBGP.
IBGP will do okay. For the IBGP, let me write down which three things is mandatory. We will do the IBGP now.
No, wait. When?
Tell me.
No, I was checking OSPF neighbor from NX02. We see one neighbor, right?
OSPF neighbor?
Sorry, 𝗖𝗄𝗄𝗃 neighbor.
Yes, I should have my 𝗖𝗄𝗃. I have configured the 𝗖𝗄𝗃 here. This one, okay? So if I will check the show IP 𝗖𝗄𝗃 neighbor, I should have two 𝗖𝗄𝗃 neighbor, 0, 1. Okay. If I will check the show IP 𝗖𝗄𝗃 neighbor, I should have one. If I will check the show IP 𝗖𝗄𝗃 neighbor, we should have one. Let's check. Which router? Router 1, NX01, NX02. You can see towards R1. Now, if I will go to NX02, towards R1.
Okay.
And if I will go to R1, you can see NX01 and NX02. Good.
Yeah. Okay. Can you show IP interface brief? Can you do once?
On router or Nexus?
Router will.
Okay.
20, 10. Okay.
Got it? What is your doubt? It's clear now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go Go to means router. Can you go to router once again?
Router one. Router one. Okay.
If we are seeing giving this 𝗖𝗫𝗡 neighbor, sorry, router ID, a loopback IP address, why we are seeing the interface as neighbor address?
No, I'm not getting you. This is
Can-
the router.
Yeah, I understood. This is a neighbor, right? This is the next. These are the Nexus neighbor.
Yes.
But we have configured route 𝗖𝗫𝗡. Can you go to the configuration? Nexus.
In the Nexus.
So here we configure 𝗖𝗫𝗡 router ID 2121 loopback, right? We should
Yes,
show the
that is for the advertisement. But _NEVERSHIP is through my this one directly.
yeah, but can't we see those router ID in our router?
No, that is this configuration. The _NEVERSHIP is through your directly loopback interface only.
Yeah. Okay. Can you check neighbor detail in detail for specific neighbor?
Which neighbor you want to check?
Anything, any of these two.
What was there?
That IP only, 𝗖𝗫𝗡 neighbor. Okay.
Just a minute. So 𝗫𝗫𝗡 neighbor, what was my
Detail you can directly do.
Okay, if you want to put me the details.
Okay, yeah, I'm not seeing.
No, that is for their 𝗖𝗫𝗡 Nexus, they are using the advertisement router ID like the OSPF. But the _NEVERSHIP is through the physical only.
No,
Yeah.
you can see those in the OSPF. Here it will be not so, I think. In 𝗖𝗫𝗡.
OSPF in the advertisement you can see.
Yeah.
But here it is the different router.
Okay. I mean,
Got it? Okay. Now, if I'll go to the 𝗖𝗫𝗡, but if you don't want it, it's not mandatory. It's for the optional I am using. I can remove this one. There will be no issue. Okay. Now IBGP configuration. Okay, guys. So IBGP configuration, let me write so that you will not be confusing. IBGP. Here we are using IBGP relationship through the loopbacks. Yeah. So we need to use the command get our loopback.
It's not loopback 0, right? Loopback 10.
Sorry. Need to use the route. What is the IBGP split horizon loop?
Okay, IBGP router will not advertise the learning route, which is which it learns from another IBGP neighbor.
Okay, very good. So for that we are using the route reflector, am I right?
Yes.
Everything I have written so that there will be no confusion. Now help me out. R1 is 123. routers BGP 123. Then help me out, guys.
Neighbor.
Neighbor.
You have mentioned what is that loopback?
10.21.
Neighbor IP.
10.21.21. Right now I am doing from R1 to NX01. Okay.
Remote AS 123.
Remote AS 123.
Again, same 20 10 dot or
Let
20.
me copy this one, guys.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Copy whole thing.
Update search loopback 0.
Loop it.
Then
The other neighbor 10.22 or 20.
Next up self.
I need the next up self. Let me show you again. Okay. Now what I am doing, I am making an I-BGP relationship through this R1 loopback 10 to NX01 loopback 10 and R1 loopback 10 to NX02 loopback 10. So if I will not use the next up self command, again the same issue. If this NX01 will see any routes from the R2, then it will not be reachable, because from here the next up self will not be changed. He can see the next up self as the BC. So from the R1, you need to say that please change your next up self. Now the next up self. One more command. Already we had a discussion. One more command.
Neighbor route reflector client.
Yes. Why I am using the, again I am asking, why I am using the route reflector client here? Suppose I am making this one is server, this one is client, but why I am using this one? What will be the problem if I will not use?
Because this IBGP neighbor will
any
not
other person? Any other person?
Yeah, because you are doing the IBGP neighborship, right? You are mentioning this this neighbor is a route reflector client.
But for which reason we are using the route reflector client?
Because of the split region, right?
What is the IBGP split region rule?
Update received from IBGP, another IBGP neighbor, it never advertised to another.
Yes, means suppose from this one it will receive, and suppose any route IBC, it will receive from here to here, it will go to the IBC. So will this route R1 send to this one and NX02?
No, it will not send.
That is the IBGP split region rule. To overcome this, what I need to use? What are the technology I have?
You can use route reflector, or you need to do the full mesh.
Synchronization also.
No synchronization.
Okay.
So, sir, route reflector is mainly working as a take the decision of the routing for the client.
Yes. Yes. From one BGP neighbor to another.
It basically distributes the route.
Yes. Now, if I'll do this one route reflector client. Okay. What I need to do for the NX02?
Same. We need to
exactly
copy
same. Just
4 commands. Only change the IP.
Only change the IP.
Change the IP address.
No need to again autonomous system, right? We can.
Yes, sorry. I don't need this one. It's already advertised.
I think loopback source also you need to change, or the same loopback you are doing?
No. It's the loopback 10. If I will change, it will be means confusion there. If you can see, let me show you.
Okay, the same loopback we are establishing
Yes,
for the
yes,
both the
yes.
connections.
Yes, loopback 10.
Got it.
Got it. If I'll change the loopback 01, then there will be confusion. Okay. Anyone knows how to do the configure on the BGP?
Yes.
Feature.
Yeah, so first we need to enable the feature.
Sorry.
Then router BGP.
Which autonomous system is there? Let me see.
123 only.
123.
123.
It will be 123 only because we are configuring the IBGP, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Then
123.
router ID.
Then for this 123, I need to enable the address family.
Address family IPv4 unique.
How many, normally how many address family means, suppose right now I am enabling this address family. Under the router BGP 123, I am enabling this one, the address family as the IPv4. Suppose I will do some more command, network command, or I am doing some neighbor. So after that, if I am doing any kind of network, suppose network 10.0.0, network 20.0.0, or your loopback. So again, I need to advertise that under the address family or not?
Yes, yes.
Anyone who previously worked on the Nexus BGP, I asked them.
Whenever we need to be update any network or the neighbor, always we need to be like enter under the address family IPv.
Yes. This one I am enabling this address family. Then I need to enable all the network. This is right now I am telling this is under the address family IPv4. Then again I need to tell whatever the network I have advertised, whatever the network I am doing, I need to enable that under that address family. Address family.
So there is no need of a router ID.
What?
Router ID.
If you want, you can do. As of now, address family IPv4 unicast. Then I need to enable the. Just I have right now I have just enabled my autonomous system under the address family. What are the network? Let me see. 21. Let me advertise this 21. Loopback 0, loopback 1. Let me advertise. And who is my neighbor? Neighbor will be R1. Okay. Network, just a minute. Network is 21.199. 21. 0.0.0. Last 8. Network 199. .0/24. Under the address family, I need to mention all the things. Then this part is guys clear to you or not? No one is telling anything.
Neighbor,
these two is clear to or not? Anyone?
Clear.
Okay.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Then who is my neighbor?
The router 1.
Router 1, R1.
I think 10.1.1.1. Am I right?
No, 20.1, I think.
No.
Physical address is required, no?
The loopback.
10.1.1.1.
Yeah.
You can see?
10.1.1.
Because through the loopback, I am making the reachability.
Okay.
Yes. The node is 123. Load source to the 10.
Sorry. Yes. What I need to do right now, everything, whatever this one, why I am repeatedly asking you are able to understand or not. This one I am enabling my 123. But whatever the network, what I did for this network command, I need to enable again on the same address family.
Yeah.
Yes. This is please try to remember. If you will not put anything, then no need to do. Only one command is enough. But if you are putting some network command neighbor, then you need to enable them under that IPv4 unicast. This is the Nexus BGP. Two commands, like not two commands, some commands are there.
Once again, why you're putting the address family unicast in the last again?
Yeah.
This one is for, I am enabling my 123 under the address family.
Okay.
But I did multiple things here. Network. I am enabling them.
In the one time or the any network command you have to do?
Then why it is required for 2 times, sir?
This is the reason I told you. First, you need to enable this one. For the 123, I am just enabling my router BGP 123 under the address family unicast. I am not doing anything. Then again, I am enabling them on the address family unicast for this one.
Yeah, for that one, you need to do that activate, right?
Yes. No, activate, I will activate will be required when we will do the mpBGP.
Okay.
Here I am not doing the activate. Activate, suppose neighbor 1.1.1.1 activate command when I will do. When I will do the mpBGP later class, not today. Then my activate command will be required. Here just I am enabling this now, my network.
Okay.
Let's see in the next time. Let's see next time there is another network added in this, right? Again we have to we have to go to the router BGP 123. Again we have to go to address family. Then we'll be mentioning the network. Then we'll be again we are mentioning the address family. Like that.
Address family unicast. If you are adding the new one.
Yeah, it's unicast.
But different one, not for the same. Different one you are adding. You need to do the same one. But for some command like that, next of self, root reflector, I don't want this. Not need to enable.
No, that's fine. But like address family will be whenever we are mentioning the address only, we will be mentioning the address family.
Yes.
That's fine.
This command I don't need. You can let me put in the last just to show if it is working fine or not. Next up. Next up.
It's good actually. This is I was not aware of this.
iOS?
No, I was not aware. No, I was not aware of
Two
this
times.
address family. 2 times you have to mention.
2 times. Let me show. Why? It is not. Why? It is IPv4 unicast in Nexus BGP. First, we need to enable that autonomous system. Then again, whatever you are doing, we need to enable them. Second, for the unicast. First for the process, then for the address. Some little bit difference in the Nexus. Not a big difference, little bit difference.
Yeah, but this is the tricky one, right? This people will check this.
Yes. This is the reason in the DC, what we need to know the syntax part, Nexus. If our BGP will be clear before that, then it will be good. Just we will do the syntax part. Okay, no worry. Then let me see what I need to change here.
One thing, why we need next of self here? It's required.
Okay, next of self, why I need, let me tell you. Because on the letter state, what I will do. Because in the letter state, what I will do, I will configure this one also. S23 to S123, S24 to 124. If AS23, I have some routes, then it will go to R1, then there will be a problem. This is the reason I have mentioned. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. Now what I need to change here, guys?
The network statement.
22.
Route reflector.
Neighbor IP.
No, route reflector.
Oh, sorry, neighbor IP is same.
Neighbor IP should be same. Remote 23. I think rest same. Am I right? Only
Yeah.
this is a different. Okay. Let's guys do this one. If it will come up, we'll continue tomorrow. Let's do this 3. It should come up if everything will be good.
I think in the neighbor command we have to mention the route reflector server, right?
Neighbor command
No.
route reflector server. Yes, already mentioned. You can see. I
No,
already
the
mentioned.
route reflector we mention on the server side only route reflector client.
Yes.
But client side we need
No,
to
no.
need to mention.
No. I told the server who will be your client. That's it.
Okay. Okay. I got it.
Okay. R1. It's a BGP NX01 150 NX02 150. Oh. Copy done. Start. Copy run start. Copy run start. इसमें तक कुछ किया नहीं मैंने. WS. WS. Now I did from this one, Nexus 01. It's good. It's good. Okay, now it's fine. So up until now, what we did, we have covered this part. Tomorrow, what we need to do, this part. Once it will be completed, then whatever the routes from the NX04, from the NX03, it should be reachable. If it will be reachable, then my entire configuration is fine. If not, then we need to do the troubleshoot. Once we'll complete this one, then we need to go for the authentication, then for the aggregator. You guys have a good idea, good understanding about the PIM. If not, then tell me, I will start from the NRC. EPS will enter into the DC.
Yeah, we can have a session on PIM.
Okay.
No, we can go ahead for the session for PIM because multicasting, I don't know much more.
Okay. Then we'll start from the NRC PIM, then we'll enter into the DC because concept is exactly same. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So I think it's done for today. We'll continue tomorrow. We'll try to wrap up this one, the BGP, then we'll try to enter into the routing NRC, routing PIM.
Tomorrow or Friday?
Tell me.
Tomorrow or Friday?
Guys, if you are available tomorrow, then we can do. If you are available, because Friday is actually night, we have a festival. So if you are available tomorrow, then it will be good. If you are available tomorrow?
Yeah, we'll go for tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll go for tomorrow.
Okay, no problem. Because Janmashtami is there, so sometimes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
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 Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good night, guys.
Good night.
Take care.